So here we are at Fair Oaks Farms. It's a Marriott in Indiana. For all the elevator fans, we got a nice and crooked. Floor 3. Here's a real quick overview of what we got here in room 304. Got our 2 queen beds, desk, our TV, little closet here, microwave, fridge, and our bathroom. We'll bring our stuff inside here and we'll go in a little bit more detail. Alright, so here we are again. Brought the stuff in. Haven't done anything other than turn the lights in here. So here at room 304, this is there we go, a hearing impaired room, so you can have the visual doorbell or not. We'll leave that off for right now. You immediately come in here and here's your bathroom. Nice sink area, nice towels. Oh, there we go. Double lights. Toilet, little nook here, and our bath shower, which is very nice, very spacious. Very spacious. Also appears to be very clean. Don't see anything issues here with the tub. Let's turn it on. Yep, water comes out just fine. Corners look pretty good. Something we're seeing almost everywhere now is the large pumps instead of the individual bottles. I'm personally preference to the small bottles. I use them when I go on trips, when we go camping, but it's the sign of the times. I have a couple places where the wallpaper is peeling. Nothing too wild though. Nothing too crazy. Got some nice stone countertops here. These are a little bit more yellow in the video. They're a little bit more gray, gray-brown in real life. Going back out here into the room, we have our microwave. Ice bucket, sorry for my finger there. Our coffee maker and our fridge. Take a look at the microwave real quick. Oh yeah, nice and clean. Coffee maker, it'd be hard for you to see, but it looks pretty clean to me. Our fridge, see if there's any surprises. Nope, but the door was open. That'll be an issue for somebody. So come around. Couple places to hang some clothes. Nice little wardrobe or closet, whatever you want to call it, right here to include the ironing board. Here's all our stuff. Our beds. Nice little drawer. A couple of those. Desk. The bag remote to show that they cleaned it. Oh, look at that. USB charging outlets. That's pretty nice too. Let's take a look outside. I believe we're on the back side, so we should be looking at the woods. Yep. And they do have trails and things back here in the kind of nice, a lot of glare. We'll take a look at the beds real quick and we'll kind of wrap up our room visit here. So not a zipped up bag for the mattress. Excuse me, but it does appear to be pretty good underneath here. Don't see any signs of any issues or anything. Pull that back. Check out the other one. We'll check this corner this time. Pillows are all looking good. And yeah, we're looking good there too. We'll check out the other sides off video. There's some more USB outlets, always a nice touch. Everything's looking good here. We'll take you on a little trip here around the rest of the property. There's a hotel and some other things, maybe walk on a trail. And we'll see you all later. So far it's looking good.
So Fair Oaks actually has a pretty decent walking trail out behind the hotel, maybe other places too, I'm not really sure, along with a restaurant on site and several different agriculture or agritourism, I believe it's called, events or activities. There's a working dairy farm, I think there's a hog farm, and they have different seasonal events as well. I wasn't able to grab much footage of any of those, but I did get some footage walking on the trails, which you'll see here in part 2, which will be linked here at the end of this video. Otherwise, everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.